Hi, I made a really strange application. So basically, I was watching this video of Inkbox, and he was making an assembly game without any OS. So I was wondering, he made it in x64, but I don't have any computer in x64. My Windows laptop is in ARM and my Mac is also in ARM. So I was like, what can I do? So I was like, maybe I can use QEMU. So this is what I did. And actually, I had to launch it from WSL, but basically, I just compiled it, put it in here, change some variables to make it work, and create an image, and then launch it with QEMU. So as you can see, we can launch it, and we can select the spaceship we want, press space, and then in the tiny screen, we can play. So yeah, all the credits goes more to Inkbox because he made most of the most of the stuff. Like I'm just using his stuff. It's just yeah. So if you find this video helpful, you can like not my video but his, and you can subscribe not to my channel but his channel. And yeah, basically it was just a funny video. I just wanted to show you this because I found it funny. Yeah, if you haven't, if you want, bye bye.